Unibase's UB token is currently up over 220% in just the last 30 days. This vertical breakout was triggered by two distinct events: the launch of the project's ERC-8183 Agent Service Market in May 2026, and the immediate addition of up to 20 times leveraged perpetual contracts on OKX. The market is aggressively bidding this up, but it leaves us with a critical question. Do these new price levels have genuine support, or is an aggressive token unlock schedule about to crater the chart? To answer that, we have to look past the hype. Unibase is an infrastructure play, meaning its value depends entirely on its real-world network adoption. Launched in September 2025 on Ethereum and BNB chain, Unibase operates as a decentralized memory layer for artificial intelligence. Its stated goal is to build the foundation for an open agent internet. The network relies on three core pieces of architecture: Membase for long-term data storage, the AIP Protocol for agent identity, and Unibase DA, processing over 100 gigabytes per second. This protocol is already plugged directly into major AI frameworks like ELIZA ROS and MCP. Right now, most AI agents have a fatal flaw. They forget everything the moment your session ends. Unibase solves that amnesia. Acting as a persistent memory bank, a central node gives AI agents a permanent brain to learn and share context. Because the architecture is decentralized, users retain direct control over how their information is accessed and utilized. Isolated, single-use AI bots are being replaced by a permanent, interconnected intelligence layer that you actually own. But a great product doesn't automatically equal a safe investment. This bar chart highlights UB's single biggest risk flag. While current market cap sits around $500 million, the fully diluted valuation towers at nearly $1.9 billion. That massive gap exists because out of a maximum 10 billion tokens, only 25% are currently circulating. A large portion of locked supply is tied to team and treasury reserves, carrying strict 6-month cliffs that create a sudden spike followed by 24 straight months of linear vesting. As those tokens unlock over the next 2 years, millions of new UB will enter the open market. Without a confirmed burn mechanism to offset it, that influx creates an immense gravitational pull on the asset's price, virtually guaranteeing heavy sell pressure. To offset that incoming supply, the network needs massive, verifiable demand. Fortunately, the on-chain metrics show over 12.4 million memory entries already deployed, driving daily trading volumes as high as $150 million. That activity is accelerating rapidly. BlazePay, an AI DeFi copilot with over 1 million active users, is integrating Unibase's memory layer into its own systems. Traders are heavily concentrated across a few major exchanges. Gate.io handles the bulk of the spot trading, while OKX dominates the perpetual futures volume, with MEXC and KuCoin acting as secondary spot alternatives. A frequent point of comparison in the market is Sky AI. While both projects target the agent economy, Sky AI concentrates on basic task automation. Unibase strictly isolates its focus to persistent memory and data storage. This flowchart demonstrates Unibase's major technical moat, the ERC-8183 Agent Service Market. It allows independent AI agents to autonomously hire one another, execute tasks, and settle payments through trustless escrow without human intervention. By enabling agents to communicate and pay each other natively, Unibase has built a highly defensible position in cross-agent interoperability that its direct competitors in the space have yet to replicate. Since launching at 1 cent in September 2025, early holders have seen tremendous returns. UB currently hovers near 19 cents, just shy of its 20-cent all-time high. Breaking resistance above 21 cents sparks clean price discovery, while rejection suggests consolidation toward 10 to 12 cents. Investors are looking at a severe make-or-break technical inflection point that will dictate the momentum for the rest of the quarter. The bull case for Unibase is highly visible. The project delivers entirely novel technology to a high-demand sector, backs it up with millions of verifiable on-chain entries, and secures partnerships with the most active AI frameworks in crypto. Conversely, the bear case is built on structural tokenomic flaws. A 25% circulating supply combined with a near $2 billion fully diluted valuation guarantees serious internal sell pressure as long-term vests unlock. Unibase is building infrastructure the AI ecosystem actually needs, But for the token to survive as a profitable long-term investment, network adoption literally has to outrun the upcoming tide of token dilution. Drop your personal price target for UB in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into Web3 infrastructure. As always, this analysis is strictly for educational purposes and is not financial advice.